Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Quick Share and Essential Radios. Open Settings, enable Quick Share and make your device visible. This lets nearby devices discover you. Next, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so the system can negotiate a fast channel without tethering. Open the app you plan to share now. If the launcher doesn't expose an APK, prepare the app link or export file. Once done, you're ready to initiate the sharing flow from the app's share menu or system share sheet. You now perform the core transfer steps. Tap Share within the app or long press the app icon and choose Quick Share from the share sheet. That begins device discovery. When you see the recipient device appear, select it and confirm identity to avoid sending to the wrong person. The system chooses Bluetooth for negotiation, then Wi-Fi direct for the actual payload, so larger apps transfer faster. Make sure both screens stay on and do not switch networks. Complete the process by guiding the recipient through acceptance and install prompts. You should tell them to review requested permissions and confirm the install. If the app was exported, allow unknown sources only temporarily. Once installed, open the app to verify functionality, check settings, and apply updates if available. If something goes wrong, try a simple troubleshooting step. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, restart Quick Share, and attempt the transfer again. That resolves most discovery and handshake errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.